Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video today, y'all. Kind of like a vlog, but not really a vlog, because really, like, I already got into my day how I got into my day. You know what I'm saying? I woke up this morning, I worked out. That's why I'm looking, you know, crazy. I'm acting like I'm not on here always looking crazy. I don't get dressed, y'all, for what? For what? I only get dressed when I'm like really having to, you know, jazz it up. Other than that, what you see is what you're getting, my baby. But then I ran my mom around to get some stuff she needed to get before I take her back to the airport, because she's going back home today. She was in town for my uncle's funeral that we had yesterday. So I had to take her back to the airport today. And I just came from downtown picking up my thank you cards for my business. Oh my goodness, I love them. They so cute. I'm gonna show y'all those later. But after I take my mother to the airport, I'm gonna go pick up my nephew and I'm gonna go teach him how to drive. You know what I'm saying? So really, this is a video of me teaching my nephew how to drive. Okay, we're gonna have a little session or whatever. So I was like, I might as well make a little video. We're gonna teach my nephew how to drive, because it's almost time for him to be driving me around. Okay, it's almost time for my guy to get a car and I'm gonna need a ride. You feel me? So that's what we doing today. But I'm gonna be back, because right now I'm not doing nothing. Just about to wait for my mom to finish getting her stuff together so that we can take her to the airport, okay? But until then, I'm just about to chill, because right now it's like 2 o'clock, I think, 2:15. My mom has to be at the airport by like 3:30. So I'm just chilling, waiting for her to get all her stuff together so we can take her to the airport. Then I'm gonna head over there to the nephew house, pick him up. You feel me? And we gonna get into this, how we get into this. Then after that, you know, I really ain't doing nothing. So it's really just a video of us teaching my nephew how to drive. And then that's about it. I'm kind of hungry because I still haven't ate today. But I'll probably just wait till after I get with my nephew and we go drive in, and maybe we'll go catch a little bite to eat or something. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna come back and clean up my room. I know I'm always talking about I gotta clean up my room, but let me tell y'all something. I clean it up, right? I do clean it up. But when I gotta go somewhere and I gotta find me something to wear, everything is back everywhere. And I'm like, oh my goodness, did I not just clean this up? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's what today is consisting of. So I'm gonna really be back when it's time to drop mom off at the airport. Okay. Look how cute my thank you cards are. Wow. I feel so happy about these. Uh-oh. Super cute. Okay. Turn up. Say hello to my little mama. Gonna take her to the port real quick. And then it's drive time with the Neff. Gonna take him driving. I was gonna throw it on. Huh? Today's the day, because it's almost time. I'm gonna need a ride, shorty. Feel me? I was gonna throw on a wig, but for what? So anyway, about to drop her off at the airport. She used to leave me because of you. Alright. So, be back. The most annoying thing when you're trying to record something is when you think you're recording and you're not. Okay, like I was just literally thought I was recording, like saying bye to my mom, safe travels, love you, let me know when you make it type thing. Whole time camera was not recording. It was not. And that's just really chapped my balls. And I didn't even realize that I wasn't recording until she was like walking in the door, and I'm like, what the heck? I wasn't even recording. That's wild. Very irritating, very annoying. Okay. Really just made me mad. But anyway, I'm now headed to pick up my nephew so that we can go driving. Y'all don't even I can't stop thinking about it. I'm really irritated that I thought I was recording that whole time. Bye, Mom. Love you. You know, I mean, I got to live the moment, but I'm just saying. I thought I was recording. Like, what the heck? Anyway, so I'll hit y'all because this tunnel long and dark. So I'll hit y'all when I get to the nephew. Look at this guy. It's time to drive. Time to drive. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look, I'm trying to think. You want to drive around the neighborhood, or you want to go to like an empty parking lot?
Empty parking lot.
All right, let's find an empty parking lot. Let's go find one. Do you feel me? Hold on, I'm trying to mess up everything real quick to see if he checked his mirrors and all that crazy stuff. All right, let's see. Are you ready? All right, come on, let's get in. Oh, let's see how he do. All right, first step. You know it.
Driving like you tall.
I got long legs, baby. What's next?
Everything looks straighter.
I don't know. You feel comfortable with like the steering wheel like that and all that?
I could change it.
Yeah, it's a little knob over there on the side. Pull it down if you want to. All right.
A little higher, a little higher.
Okay. What else?
That's the brake.
Your foot shouldn't even be on the brake or nothing yet. Did you check your mirrors?
Yeah, they looking good.
They ain't looking good because you know why? I just messed them up to see if you was gonna say that.
I don't know the steps. I don't know the steps.
All right, you look at this one. This one looking at the handle. You supposed to be able to see the people, see what's going on. It's the little thing over here on the side. You see those 4 arrows?
Stop.
Move it up.
All right.
Move it out. More. Up some more. The thing is, you want to be able to see who's on your left side and who's on your right side. All right. That one messed up too. I messed it all up.
So how do I go?
It's a little thing that you can move left and right.
Oh, okay.
That's as far as it's gonna go. So it needs to come back in this way. Because you also want to see a little piece of the car too. You get me? Okay. What you can see in this one? You good on this one?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, what else?
Let
Let me take my mask down. You want to see what's behind you?
It's fast like the other one?
No, this is manual. All right.
Okay.
All right, you can see what's behind you.
Also see everything.
As long as you can see directly behind you.
So I have to see a little bit of the top of my head.
No, not your head.
Okay.
You want to look straight back. We good?
No.
You can see the back end? You can see?
Yeah.
This part good? Alright. Now what?
Actually, I gotta.
Alright, fix it up, because I need you to see. My life is in your hands right now. Alright? Am I making you nervous with the camera? I can put it down. Okay, we gonna come back. Let us go around a little bit. Then we gonna come back. Alright. We had a couple of go-arounds. Let's see how he do. I'm his drive instructor. should have took my seatbelt off, but it's on. All right, we good. It's on.
Next step. See.
I don't know, can you?
I can see.
You see?
Start the bar.
All right, let go. All right, sir. So I need you to go left. When you get to the end, we're gonna go left again. He's doing a good job. He's working on turns today. Nothing too crazy. You got it. You got it. You got it. He's doing swell. I taught him how to ride a bike. Teach them how to drive a car. Turn up. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous, my man. You got it. You've been doing good. Straighten this up. We're gonna work on this. We're gonna do this double left again. And you're gonna park us.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. I'll see you. See you, my man.
Yeah.
Now try to get into between any of these white lines. Oh, you be parking, huh? Oh, you be parking, huh? You did a good job, Ness. Okay. You did nice. You did nice. Yes, y'all. He did good for his first time. Well, this ain't his first time, but like a full blown type thing. It was his first time. I let him drive around the neighborhood one time. You did good with the parking, though. He did that with the parking, though. Hold up. He did that with the parking, though. He right in the lines. Okay. That was good. That was real good. All right. That finishes driving with Auntie today. Day one. Next time we'll work on more so parking and backing up. You did good today with your turns. You did that. So you hungry?
Gotta work on that first turn, that left turn.
Yeah, you got. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. All right, y'all. So tell my nephew down below that he did a swell job because he did that today.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Period.
If it's your first time,
Period.
watch me go on my journey.
Period.
We being my auntie.
Wow. All right, y'all. Let me take the kid back to the crib and I'll connect with y'all in a minute. All right.